Welcome to bikeandcars.com.
Here's what you will know by the end of this video. The total cost of owning the KTM 390 Duke over 5 and 10 years. Every cost broken down: fuel, service, insurance and tires. When your costs spike and how to plan ahead. Exactly how fast it loses resale value and when to sell. How it stacks against every rival in the segment. And how you can calculate your exact personal ownership cost using our interactive calculator at bikeandcars.com. The KTM 390 Duke costs rupees about 3 lakh to buy. But buying it is just the start. Assuming you ride about 10,000 kilometers a year, over 5 years, you'll spend rupees about 6,43,000 owning this bike. That's 2.52 times the purchase price. Here's the complete ownership cost breakdown. Year 1 running cost, rupees about 90,000. Fuel is the biggest chunk at rupees about 42,000, 47% of your annual spend. Service costs rupees about 15,000. Insurance rupees about 22,000. But costs don't stay flat. Inflation, wear and overhauls push them up every year. This table shows the full picture year by year. Rupees about 18,000 a year on service. Where does it go? Engine oil and filter changes are your biggest line item. Chain maintenance, brake pads, coolant service and labor make up the rest. Regular service isn't optional on a 390 Duke. Skip it and repair costs will be far worse. Insurance starts at rupees about 22,000 in year 1. The good news? It drops every year as your no-claim bonus builds. By year 5, you could be paying almost half of what you started with. This is one of the few ownership costs that actually gets cheaper over time. The costs nobody warns you about. Chain sprocket set, brake discs, clutch plates. These aren't regular service items. They hit between year 3 and year 5 and they're not cheap. Budget for these in advance or they'll catch you off guard. The biggest cost that never shows up in your monthly bills: depreciation. Your 390 Duke loses the most value in year 1. After that, the rate slows down. Sell at the right time and you retain more value. Wait too long and the loss is significant. How does the 390 Duke compare to its segment? Here's every competitor ranked by 5-year ownership cost. Cost per kilometer tells you which bike truly costs less to own, not just to buy. Bottom line, rupees 332 per day. Rupees about 11,000 per month. Rupees 12.87 per kilometer. Rupees about 6,43,000 over 5 years. That's what it really costs to own a KTM 390 Duke. The purchase price is just the entry ticket. Our expert rating for the KTM 390 Duke: 8.1 out of 10. The KTM 390 Duke is the undisputed benchmark in the sub-rupees 3 lakh performance segment. With a 5-inch color TFT, cruise control, cornering ABS, lean angle T, the strengths and the watchouts all in the full review. All costs based on 10,000 annual kilometers per year. From performance to value, see how the 390 Duke scores across every category. Read the full detailed review at bikeandcars.com. Link is in the description. For example, let's look at this bike from Hero. We can change ownership, 6 years, annual km, city driving, fuel price, and we can see the ownership cost based on our usage. Head to bikeandcars.com and set your own values. Subscribe to Bike and Cars for ownership costs on every bike and car. Comment your real monthly expense below.